In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Freshservice. Because Freshservice is a cloud-based service desk, installing it simply means creating your account and getting to your new help desk. You won't download anything. You'll sign up in a browser and verify your email to activate access. Start by opening your preferred browser and going to freshservice.com. On the home page, select Sign Up or Get Started. That button may appear in the top navigation or near the middle of the page, and it takes you straight to the sign-up form. On the form, enter your first name and last name, then add a work email address you can access right now. This email will receive the confirmation link, so double-check for typos before you continue. Next, provide your company name. Freshservice uses this to create your unique help desk URL in the format yourcompany.freshservice.com. Choose something short and professional since it becomes the address your team will visit. If your first choice is taken, try a simple variation that still matches your organization. You'll also be asked how you plan to use Freshservice, such as for IT support, and how many agents you need. This helps tailor your initial setup. Don't worry if you're not sure. You can adjust those choices later inside the product as your team grows. When everything looks correct, click Start Setup or Create My Account. Freshservice will create your trial environment and prompt you to verify your email. Head to your inbox, open the message from Freshservice, and click the confirmation link. If you don't see it, check Spam or Promotions. The link opens a secure page where you'll set your password and activate the account. Use a strong password and keep it private. After you confirm and set the password, you'll be directed to your new Freshservice dashboard. That means your help desk is live and ready for you to explore. Take a moment to note the URL in your address bar and consider bookmarking it so you can return quickly. From here, you can familiarize yourself with the interface, but the core installation is complete. You've signed up, verified your email, and reached the dashboard. If the confirmation email takes a moment, give it a couple of minutes or use the resend option on the prompt. Completing verification in the same browser tab can also prevent sign-in hiccups. That's all there is to it. Follow these steps, and in just a few minutes, you'll have a working Freshservice account that you can start evaluating and preparing for your team.